What can you tell Miss Ferrara about his store?
His store is great.
Okay, what do they do here?
They sell vacuum cleaners and a lot of vacuums.
Where is it? Where's the store?
It's in 1693 Acushnet Ave from New Bedford, Mass.
Boy, that's good.
And their
Sometimes I
phone?
forget.
What's the phone number
Where-
here?
where
What
is
if I
my
have to call
address?
him?
508-997-8011.
Awesome.
It's
Yeah.
011.
Boy. And you know my whole commercial by heart.
Yes.
I saw it on YouTube.
Yes, I
You know, I need a script to write to do that. I can't do that. Remember all of that? That's amazing.
Can you
And
believe Handy Andy watched you on YouTube?
Yeah, people were telling me, you gotta see this boy.
Mm-hmm.
And I saw the I don't know, something special with like a cartoonish characters that repeat the I don't know, it's just awesome. Thank you very much. Because it's like free advertising for us.
he knows it in Portuguese too.
Oh yeah, I do some of the ads in Portuguese.
Yeah.
I'm not Portuguese, but I learned how to say it from a script again.
You know the ad in Portuguese?
Yeah.
You never told Miss Ferrara that. Tell me one sentence in Portuguese.
maybe,
Go ahead, you decide.
because I remember.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'll say, maybe, I mean,
What's the first one? What's the first sentence in Portuguese?
well, I don't know. Maybe, maybe,
Does he say bon dia?
no.
No. What does he
Probably.
say?
Hola, hello. Hola. Eu sou Handy Andy. I just remembered.
Guess
Hola, eu
what
sou
day
Handy Andy.
it is?
What day is it?
Handy Andy Day.
Handy Andy Day.
Yeah.
Today.
Do you have a broken vacuum? Hello, I'm Handy Andy. Do you have a broken vacuum? I know the opening lines.
What was that? What did he just say?
He did a commercial in 2013 and 2016.
Oh wow, even the dates.
yeah.
Oh, they're getting a little old, but they never go out of style. It's, just, it's the same message.
What's
all
after
the
that
time.
in the commercial? Do you have a broken vacuum?
No, I don't have a broken one because it's fixed. And then if you have a broken one, then take it to my favorite store.
Take it to my favorite store.
Okay, awesome.
Oh, AJ.
So what about you? Anything you'd like to tell me about yourself? Besides your hobby with Handy Andy's film commercials, you do marketing. You do marketing and advertising. Pretty good for your age, 11 years old, doing marketing.
Yes, I am 11 years
Yeah,
old.
11 years old. And a marketing and advertising expert.
What else do you like? Tell Handy Andy what you like.
I like a lot of vacuum cleaners.
Yeah, a lot of people. There's a big fascination with vacuums because there's so many different kinds. There's so many different colors, so many shapes.
Colors.
A lot of people don't. Sometimes people don't even understand how they work.
Wait a minute, I want to tell him what his favorite color
It's
is.
kind of a mystery. Okay,
What is it?
What is your favorite color?
I'm wearing it. Red.
Red. See, I told you his favorite is red.
What's your favorite color? Tell him.
Green.
All right. You know, I got a green house. It's another one of my favorite colors. It's really hard to pick because I like the outdoors. I like the outdoors a lot. Trees. I got greenhouse and green shrubbery everywhere.
Wow.
I had a red canoe once. I took the red canoe because I like red.
Red.
What are red and green? What do those colors represent?
Red and green.
Yeah. What did we talk about in class today? Red and green. The colors of
What?
what happens in December?
December.
Yeah, December 25th. What happens?
I
You tell
know
me.
now. I was thinking of the Portuguese flag at first. Is it also
Right,
red
me
and
too.
green?
Christmas. Maybe Christmas.
Christmas colors, yeah.
Christmas. Yeah.
Yeah, Christmas
Yeah.
colors.
I like those
That's what my
Christmas.
head went.
I like that Christmas colors.